Hi everyone, so I'm back. This is just a quick video. I've made a few journals just to like restock, just trying to keep things in my shop. These are just blank journals. They've got various papers throughout, and I will put the links for them below. And also we have this little one that I think is still available in my shop. I will put the link to the video and the listing below as well. So these little journals, like I said, they're little blank journals. These are 8x4. They are all the same apart from obviously the different, just them different labels, I think, on the front. Everything else is the same. The butterflies are the same, the papers are all the same, music paper, the tags. The paper that I use for the cover is from Tracie Fox. It's her teal grungy kit, so I used that. And the tags that I've used are from they're Tracie Fox as well, actually. They're from the Field Notes layered tags. Then the little leftovers from this, I popped on there. Music paper. This is a little collage piece from one of my kits, well, my collage kit. This is ARTYmaze. That is the old design shop. And I think that's it. So I only need to show you one. Oh, my ring light is flickering. I only need to show you one because they're all the same inside. Yep, they're definitely all the same inside. Okay, so like I said, I will put the links to the listing below for these. Okay, so they're cardstock covers with obviously this paper from Tracie Fox on the front, and then on the inside, so that is coffee dyed paper, and obviously in between is the cardstock. The papers are Bohemian Crafting, the old design shop. I think that is Bohemian Crafting. This is Tailor Made Journals. We've got a pocket there. I haven't sealed them just in case. Don't want them to be sealed. Coffee dyed papers. This is the old design shop. So is that. This is Tailor Made Journals. Again, we've got a pocket there. So the other side, we've got flips here. Flip there. Coffee dyed papers. Another pocket. Another flip. And another flip. And the other side of that little piece there. So that is the journals. I told you it was a quick video. So that's the journals. Like I said, these will be in my shop, and also this little one as well, if you're interested in that. The links will be below. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.